We are here at ILMAC 2019 in Basel, Switzerland, exhibiting together with Sintratec customer FabRx from London.
This is one of the biggest events in Europe for lab equipment and manufacturing equipment in life science and pharmacy. And we are introducing here for the first time the first 3D printer designed for printing pharmaceuticals.
3D printing is a very new technology, so most of the people are not aware of that. So it's very important to go to this conference when we can meet people, we can present our technology, we can make people aware of this 3D printing opportunity to personalize medicine.
FabRx invested 2 years ago in a Sintratec kit, and since then we came a long way and made a fantastic journey together possible. This specific case shows that system supplier and customer can go together to create outstanding results for the world.